So hi everybody, I'm Guido Gioioso, one of the founders of WEART, this one. We develop wearable haptic devices to add the sense of touch to any kind of VR, AR experience. This device is able to track finger movements, so it's able to understand, the motion of the fingers of the user and track grasping movements, exploration movements like touching a button or touching a surface, and not only tracking, but we can provide haptic feedback in terms of forces, texture, and thermal feedback. This is the only technology in the world that can combine three different tactile sensations on the same portion of the skin of the user, which is the fingertip, as you can see. And these three sensations can render the stiffness of an object, for instance, so the difference between a table and a sponge, or the texture feeling, like the roughness and friction properties of the material, virtual materials, and also thermal feedback, thermal behavior of materials, like the difference between metal and plastic, for instance, but also hot and cold for safety training. If we want to talk about use cases, we are working on industrial training, virtual prototyping, so you can experience a product or a prototype or whatever before the actual production of that object, so you can grasp it, interact with it, experience the product. In terms of training, it improves the realism and the engagement of the user into the simulation scenario, so you can learn assembly tasks or manual procedures, having the feedback on your fingers, and also marketing experiences, entertainment experiences, and so on. That's it. Come to the booth and try it.